I always love to make a one-pan recipe, and this Tuscan chicken thigh recipe is no exception. With its creamy sauce and flavorful rice, you'll have dinner on the table in no time. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. So I've got the pan heating up, and we're going to start by braising our chicken thighs. Start with a little bit of olive oil, and we'll place our chicken thighs skin down onto the pan. While the chicken thighs are crisping up, we're just going to chop up our shallot and our garlic. Once the chicken thighs are nice and golden, place them on a plate and then reserve. To all that delicious flavor of the chicken in the pan, we're going to add the shallots and the garlic. After a few minutes, we'll add our sun-dried tomatoes. And to that, we'll add our spinach. Give it a good stir and then cook down the spinach. After it's cooked down, add all of your chicken broth to deglaze the pan. And then to the broth, we'll add our whipping cream. Stir it all together and bring it to a boil. Turn the heat off and pour in your rice. Make sure the rice is nice and leveled in the pan, and then place your chicken thighs back on top of the rice. After placing the chicken thighs back on top of the rice, all you gotta do is place the lid on the skillet and then place it into the oven for 40 minutes. Before serving, I like to squeeze a little bit of lime juice or lemon juice all over the chicken and rice, and then garnish it with some fresh parsley. I hope you get to enjoy this soon. Thanks for watching.